Is the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 the best and cheap fitness tracker money can buy? Wait and watch my unboxing and quick review and the problems I'm having for the past 48 hours with the Mi Band 5. Hello and welcome to Prax for another unboxing and tech gadget review video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and doing a quick review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Now, I have been using the Mobvoi Tic Pro 3 GPS along with the Tic Band, which is a very old fitness tracker. Pretty basic, but it did its job. What happened was a couple of days ago, the Tic Band's strap fell off. It literally broke. They had this like intricate mechanism, and that mechanism literally broke, and I couldn't find a replacement from Mobvoi. However, the other replacements I found cost around like $20, $30. At the same time, I found the Mi Band 5 available for like $42. So I thought, let me check it out. I saw a few reviews and they all praised the Mi Band 5 for its value for money. So I thought, let me just get that and see what it's all about. And so I ordered and got it within 2 days, and I tried it on. Don't get me wrong, it was quite fine. But before I go further into the review, take a look at the quick unboxing. Now, as you can see, I'm currently wearing the Mi Band 5. Now, I've been wearing for the past 2 days. Now, here is my experience from the get-go, okay? I wore it on day 1. I wore it the same way I used to wear the Tic Band. So this is how I alternate between the Tic Band and the Tic Pro 3 GPS. I would wear the Tic Band while I'm at home and while I'm sleeping. And whenever I'm going out on a walk every day, I swap the Tic 3 GPS. And anytime I go outside for shopping or anything, I still wear the Tic Watch, not the Tic Band. So the Tic Band was purely for at-home use. Now, Mobvoi's app synchronizes between Google Fit, the Tic Band, and the Tic Watch seamlessly. So if I managed 6,000 steps on the Tic Watch after doing some 500 steps on the Tic Band while I'm at home, when I swap back to the Tic Band after taking my walk and coming back, it shows me the cumulative steps that I have taken, and that is reflected on the Google Fit app as well. So here's my problem with the Mi Band 5. I started wearing the Mi Band 5 and then I swapped to my Tic Pro while I went outside, gathered around 6,000 steps, came back, swapped my Mi Band, and what does it do? It overrides all of my steps on Google Fit, which I gathered using my Tic Watch. Everything gone. So I went online to find a solution. The only possible solution I could find was some forum where they said just unlink Google Fit from the Mi Band. But why? I want Google Fit to synchronize between all of my smartware devices to give me a cumulative data of whatever I'm doing the whole day. But that is not happening. I'm not sure if it's a problem with Google Fit or Mi Band or my TicWatch, but my step count and all the data is completely a big mess. And I don't know how to fix this. If any of you guys who are watching this have encountered similar problems where you have different smart devices, wearables, which fail to synchronize with Google Fit, please let me know. If you found a solution, even better, I would really like to know that as well. But right now, I still don't know how to fix this. But what I'm doing is just wearing Mi Band while I'm at home because it tracks my sleep as well, because I'm not wearing my Tic Band anymore. So I'm pretty much in a very bad situation where my overall activity every day is not even remotely accurate. Now I have 3 different tracking happening. One, my Mi Band. It does its own tracking, it overrides Google Fit. And now I'm also saying Google Fit is not playing well with Mi Band either. It's having a conundrum whether to sync with my TicWatch or with Mi Band. So that data is always a random number. And my TicWatch, which is pretty much accurate in every data I get, fortunately the Mobvoi app retains all the data. It does not let Google override the data. But it is not able to sync its data with Google Fit because Mi Band keeps overriding it. So I absolutely am clueless why this is happening. In this day and age where smartware is everywhere and every single company is making a different kind of smartware, especially for Wear OS, I cannot understand why Google Fit can quite simply sync between all these devices. It was able to do it between my TicWatch and Tic Band before. However, they were governed by the same app and they were synced together. Now, why can't that happen through Google Fit between Mi Band 5 and the TicWatch Pro? I don't know. So, now that is my big complaint about Mi Band 5. However, on the other hand, I think it's a pretty nifty device. It looks pretty good. It looks much more better than the Tic Band because the Tic Band did not age well. It started to peel off from the sides and the metal designs, which I was not a big fan of. And from the beginning, I knew that mechanism of clasps was going to be a problem, and it ended up to be the demise of the device. Now, the device in itself still works. If I manage to put a cheap band on it, then I can continue going about my life. But I really want to like the Mi Band 5. It has more functionality. It has a beautiful screen. But if I'm not going to be able to sync between my TicWatch Pro and my Mi Band 5, then I don't have any other choice than to return my Mi Band 5 and go back to using my Tic Band with a new cheap strap. Now, what do I do? Only time will tell. I'm still going to continue using my Mi Band 5 so as to get an idea of how it works and how good it is. But on the other hand, if Google Fit cannot synchronize between my TicWatch Pro and Mi Band 5, I'm sorry, Xiaomi, Mi Band 5 has to go. There's no other way. So now that I've given you a quick overview about my major problem, you might be wondering, why haven't I spoken much about the details of the Mi Band 5? Well, there are a million other videos. Mi Band 5 is not a new product either. So you can always get more and more details about every functionality of the Mi Band 5 and every other app that works with it. It's all good and it's all out there. I'm here to talk about the problem as an end user who uses multiple smart wearable devices, and to ask for any solution anyone has come up with so far, to just hit me up with that solution and to see if that works. I really want to retain this Mi Band 5, but let's see how it goes. So if you have enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and click the bell icon because I'm going to be posting videos more frequently. And don't forget, I also do other kind of videos like hobbies. I have a marine aquarium, so I put updates on that as well. So this channel is going to have a bit of a variety. So enjoy these videos, watch all my previous videos as well, and don't forget to subscribe again. Until next time, it's bye from Praxi Prax.